Hello YouTube viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode we're going to be doing the final reveal of the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette by AMT. Even though it's a 53 Corvette, I chose to go with the 1954 color Pennant Blue with tan interior. Here we have some still pictures as everything's starting to get fitted and put into place. Adding some red to the hubcaps. These will look spectacular next to the wide white wall tires. Here's a good look at the chassis before the body sits down on top of it. Again, there's those wide whites. Gotta love them. Well, here's a completed model. I'll have a closer up view of the kit later in the video. Also, in a couple minutes, go ahead and remove the convertible top so we can get a better look at the interior. One of the things that tickles me about this kit, it doesn't have much of a view out the side glass area or side curtain. Little small top, but it adds a nice feature to this model kit. In this portion of the video, I'll go ahead and remove the top so we can get a better look towards the interior. Love those 1953 license plates. The land of enchantment. Here's something I did. I used the taillights as the exhaust tips and the exhaust tips as the taillight. I thought they looked better. I did it on purpose. As I looked at everything on the chrome tree, I just wasn't sure that the taillights should be that small. It looked more realistic for me as taillights. Yeah, so I kind of flip-flopped them around. It's the beauty of model building. You can build it how you want. I'll have some still photos near the end of the video that'll show better details of the interior, and something I normally don't do is I'll show the underside of the chassis. Most of my models sit on the shelf, so I hardly ever pick them up. There's a sneak peek of the underneath. Something I usually don't show off. I think the first generation Corvette had some beautiful lines. Well, this is a fitting way to end 2022. I look forward to what 2023 will bring with my family and model building. So to everybody who's watched my videos over the course of this year, thank you very much. I appreciate you and appreciate you tuning in. Well, this is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief, signing off for 2022. See you in 2023. Have a safe and blessed new year.